Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about 250 watt equivalent LED floodlights. There's a range of fixtures you can go with. Traditionally, it's a unit ranging anywhere from 8, 9, 10,000 lumens up to 12, 13,000 lumen. Traditionally, it comes with a trunnion bracket or a yoke bracket. Both these fixtures have that. This fixture also has a pipe mount option. The fixtures are really too big for your small knuckle mounts. So again, the trunnion mount is standard. This is one of our entry-level fixtures. 100 watt does 13,000 lumens. It also comes in a 150, 200 watt version. We stock all these. This is a 50 watt and 80 watt. The 80 watt does a little over 10,000 lumens, so it's ideal for that 250 watt replacement. Again, with a trunnion bracket, puts out a lot of light and does a nice 120-degree spread. If you find you want more light and you want just a little bit of energy savings, this is a 200 watt unit that puts out a lot more light. It also has an optional visor and pole mount option for the trunnion bracket, but this will give you the superior light. And so if you're interested in floodlights, we have a lot of other options. Give one of our LED techs a call and they can help you pick the right solution for you. Have a great day.